Today we will be testing a pullback indicator strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a pullback indicator strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 521 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a pullback indicator strategy. So the source video says I tested the pullback indicator for 30 days and got 100% accurate buy and sell signals. And so, of course, as you know, I'm going to say it, no indicator, no strategy is 100% accurate. And so right off, this source video is not being truthful in the claim because there is no way over 30 days that it got a 100% accurate buy and sell signals. The closest that I've come to is the position management strategy that I teach all the patrons, and even that will eventually take a losing trade. And so using a strategy just the way it's shown here definitely is not maintaining a 100% win rate. Now, with that being said, we're going to put the strategy to the test to see what we can get out of it. So I'm just going to hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the DTFX algo zones. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings. Under the inputs, change the structure length to 12, the show last to 2, and everything else can stay on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the PP signal slope oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen and jump into the settings of this one as well. And so we're going to change the first selection here, the T3 to 5, the Tilson T3 factor here to 20, the slope length to 13, and the signal length to 25. Then jump into the styles, and what you're going to want to do is go to the linear regression slope. The color 0, you're going to want to change that to a green color. Then click right here and change this to area. Then go ahead and click OK. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. And so what we're looking for a short trade. So we are looking for the breakout of a red box like this here. So the DTFX creates these boxes, and what we're looking for is when price breaks to the downside of that box, like right here. Then we're going to look down to the slope oscillator, and we want it to be red like this here. And so once those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we were looking for is we were looking for the breakout of a green box to the upside, like this one here. And then once we get that breakout, we're going to look down to the slope oscillator. We want it to have a green background or a green coloration to it like this here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you look at the numbers right above my cursor right here, you can see as I scroll back and forth across the different colors that they are also changing the color of the numbers. So if we hover over this one, you can see that those two numbers there are that bright, vibrant green, telling us that they are in the green position like we would like. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here, put our stop just right below this pivot area right here, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see this real nice steady climb to the upside, just like before, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade, means that your total loss would have been $11,200. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $2,000. And so not a horrible strategy, definitely not 100% accurate, and definitely not going to make you rich. I think this was over about a 1 month period of time, so that's not horrible. Two grand in 1 month, but that's not including spreads or commissions, and so would have been a little bit less than that. Now, during the same period of time, we did 29 trades with the Academy of Forex Indicator. We had right at an 80% win rate and a total gain right at $14,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this video here. We're going to go ahead and put this strategy on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.